Alright guys, this video is gonna be me talking about my dad's new rig, which is a 1997 Ford Expedition Eddie Bauer edition. He only paid $1,000 for it, but yeah, so I do have some photos, but sorry if the lighting's bad. It was in the middle of the night, so I'm gonna show some pictures right about now. I've ordered one mod for it already, and that is a cheap cold air intake. Only cost me altogether $70 for it. Now we'll have a screenshot of what I bought from eBay. So it'll pop up right now. A BCP Racing cold air intake. Now if whatever it is true, then from the crank it'll go from 230 horsepower to 246.1 horsepower, and torque would be from 325 to 344 and a half. But all links will be in the description below. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching.